Okay, so I woke up to like a phone call from the tattoo place telling me that my tattoo is canceled because the guy got sick, which is so strange because all of last night I was having like really weird dreams, and like at one point when I woke up in between those nightmares and stuff, like a thought came to my mind saying that the tattoo should be canceled or something like that. So it's almost like I made another prediction. Whatever. So now I am just going to meet my mom and give her some stuff because she's headed out back to NSW, and I'm gonna try to like get another tattoo place. Maybe walk in on the day, hopefully. I don't know. My mom claimed that it's the universe's way of this tattoo not happening, but she's like very anti-tattoo. She thinks that tattoo is for junkies, you know, the old Persian stuff. But yeah, I'm really hoping that I do get the damn tattoo today. But we'll see. Okay, that's the update. Oh, hi again. So I just woke up from like a really long nap, and it was so hot in my room, and I was trying to think like what else am I gonna do today since it's like 6 p.m. now. There's nothing really to do anymore, but like the guest book that my Airbnb host provided for me, she said that like in the guest book it said something about a swimming pool, so I'm trying to go find that. What happened today. So I got a call like in the morning by the people that were supposed to tattoo me, and they said yeah, so it was canceled, and I mentioned this in another vlog, but yeah, so it was canceled. So I was running around like a maniac around Surfer's Paradise, and I was trying to find like another place, but before that I met up with my mom and her friend, and oh my god, she had the cutest baby. And like this is a little Persian girl with like blue eyes that did not come from her mom or her dad because they're both brown-eyed people, but I'll insert a picture now. Okay, so that was her. Oh my god. She was so adorable. Man, if I ever have a kid, well, I'm hoping to God that I will have a daughter one day. Maybe. I would want a blue-eyed baby. So I just gotta find a man who has somebody in their family who has blue eyes, or they have blue eyes themselves. So yeah, anyways, getting off track. Yeah, so hung out with them, took a couple of photos with them, and went back to the hotel with them, their hotel with them, because they were packing. They're on their way back to Sydney now. So yeah, there's a cat here as well, but I'll show you guys later if they don't completely run away. I just googled places to go and get the tattoo, and now I'm getting a tattoo at a place called Squares Inc., and I've already put in my deposit, and they accepted how much I was offering. I like told them, you know, I want something within my budget, so can you please help me out here? And they accepted the offer that I made for the tattoo. So I'm really excited. I'm going at 4:30 p.m. tomorrow, which is the perfect time for me because it's like, it's not gonna be, I'm not gonna feel rushed. I'm gonna be able to eat, sleep, and all of that jazz. Fucking hell, man, I really miss having a car. I hate having to like call a taxi and shit. And I've been really smart about everything, by the way. By the way, I'm asking you guys, please, if you like need a ride anywhere, please use like please like sign up for Ola or whatever, because you'd really help me get a ride and stuff, get some discounts on my ride. So I don't know how it works, but I have to like refer a friend. So sign up using my code or whatever. I'll link it all down below. I'll work it out when I'm editing this video and stuff. They were talking about the kitties, the people in the swimming pool. I don't know if you guys can hear them in the background.
Fluffy fat thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
So cute.
Is that your cat?
No. Probably one of those houses over there.
Yeah, good.
So yeah. Use that code and sign up with Ola. And yeah.
Yeah, the water's beautiful.
I cannot wait until I go and get my tattoo of the Ivysaur tomorrow. It's going to be probably like the first ever tattoo that doesn't have any meaning at all. It's just, I mean, it does have meaning in a way, like I resonate with the personality of an Ivysaur, but it's not like a deep meaning like most of my other, like all of my other tattoos, not most. Connect the dots was my first tattoo. Like this one, it was supposed to be just like 3 tiny dots, but I didn't go to a professional, so that fucked it up. Go to a professional, even if it'll cost you a lot. I mean, I don't regret this tattoo at all, you know. I don't regret anything I've ever done in my life, so, it's been all fun and games for me. Even the fucked up bad shit I've done, you know. I mean, I haven't really done anything completely fucked up, but whatever. Okay, now I'm just rambling. I'm gonna end this vlog here and ask you guys to please subscribe if you have not subscribed. I know that a lot of the people that watch my vlogs still have not subscribed, but come back. So, you know, like, subscribe, guys. Help me out. And have a lovely day or night. Bye, guys. Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. Oh my god! He's so friendly! Hi! Oh! Come on, come here. How do I get to you? Where are the gates? Hold on. I'll figure it out.